Okay, back again. So I think I have it, kind of sorted out a bit. I made piles of the things I'm keeping. These are a bunch of manuals, etc. These right here, from the workshop I did. This is so awesome, you guys. I'm all about the Amazon sometimes, but this right here from Amazon, oh, this is so cool. You could put worksheets in here, or if you want the kids to have their own where you put their homework in, or maybe you might say, I want to mark some math papers today, and so you put all the math papers in this one. It's versatile, or your centers. You could kind of sort out your centers using this. So I really love these. These are so cool. And for those who wanted to see the results I made up close, let's see, thick and thin questions. So I had the thick questions on one side, and then I had another paper with thin questions. Let's see if I can find one with the thin. So I just put all these, I just made a pile. This also was in the resource I gave everybody. So it's like the kids are, after they read, or while they're reading, they could just write down their thoughts in the speech bubbles. What questions popped into your mind? I wonder why Jack did what he did, etc., etc. Yeah, and it had a bookmark I made up too. Anyway, so yeah, so that's the pile for that. And these right here is my old classroom decor from a long time ago. Oh my goodness, I love, what's the word? What's the name of the movie? Is this the Peanuts? Peanuts? Yeah. So I was gonna throw these away, but you know what? I don't know, I'll keep them. Who knows, maybe somebody might want these, I don't know. And then I made a pile of the drawings my husband did. Of the cool clip collection. He drew these. So these will be clip art. What else he drew? He drew this and many other things he drew. I found this little goodie here, so that's good. And I bought this off Teachers Pay Teachers, but I don't remember where I bought it from. And these two. I think I'll give these away because I'm not using it. Look at the stuff. Oh my goodness. Time to get going. Day 2 of sorting out all the things. Send help, please. Send help. I am paying $1 million to that person who comes to help me. Yeah, right. If only teachers would get paid that much, right? All right, let's get busy. Okay, guys, I think I'm done finally for the day. At least I'm not doing anything else. I've just organized the books, the resources, and just put them to the side. But I wanted to end by showing you my high school yearbook. I'm not going to go through it and let you laugh your head off at the pictures of me and some other people when we were in high school. But I will show you something I wrote. It says, the 21st of June 1999. This book belongs to Vanessa Simmons. 5 years from now, I want to be a primary or high school teacher. Isn't that awesome? Like, wow. Right? Time. Isn't it amazing when your dreams can come true? I thank God for all his blessings. So I'm going to say bye, everybody. See you later. Okay, book, do not fall. Don't embarrass me. All right.